You searched how to buy shares of Green Dot Corp, a Fintech company that issues prepaid debit cards and consumer banking services. Green Dot trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker GDOT, and this video is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker GDOT to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry that matches Green Dot Corp. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for GDOT. Verify the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm it is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to place and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, you can set a market or limit order to execute later, and the platform will request additional funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade is executed, your GDOT position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the broker link is in the description to follow the same steps shown here.